restoring wetlands is huge on agricultural lands. And, in this country, we've lost like over 100 million acres of wetlands. And so in some restoration efforts, and when funding is available, doing some intervention to facilitate tree seedlings getting established is certainly desirable, and like it's done if you can afford it. They're doing extensive planting. Like, I've never seen a restoration project up close, like on private land, that has so much planting. They're planting like 4,000 trees and shrubs. And that accelerates the recovery of the riparian forest because, they're planting seedlings that are a few years old.